Okay, folks, I'm still over here at this fellow's house in Youngsville with the car collection. There's the rest of them there. We're going to try to get all these filmed today. And this one here is the 55 DeSoto Fireflyte. I believe this thing's called a DeSoto Fireflyte. And it has the 291 Hemi engine in it with a single 2-barrel carburetor. It does run and drive, it yard drives. And he's got the grill. It's got the traditional that DeSoto grill so many people like. And the bumper. He's got all the chrome. He's done the rockers on it. And the floors are good in this car. His plans for this car is a bit of a rat rod flavor. He's going to do the matte black with a red roof. And the old 4-door sedan. Look at that. I'm sorry, Fire Dome. I said Fireflyte. It's a Fire Dome. I do get those mixed up. But man, look at that side. I guess you'd call that a painted on two-tone type of a stripe. Oh, I love these door handles. Is that not cool or what? Push right there. Look at that. Ain't that something? Look how the chrome on these old cars holds up so much better than the chrome they started making, I guess, in the 70s in the old disco era. Chrome started going downhill, maybe even before then. Oh yeah, she's definitely, look at the quarter panel. I see a little bubbling in there. There's a patch there too. '55 DeSoto Fire Dome. And this has got the Fireflyte transmission in it. And we're going to pop the hood here. And of course he's got some of his chrome and stuff is in here. There's a radio in here, old tube style radio it looks like. And obviously the front floor is solid. We're going to be holding all that weight. So and the trunk lid opens. That's smooth right there. Good Lord. Oh, that's interesting. And walk on around here a little bit, folks. Got a quarter panel on here. Looks better than the one on that side. These old DeSoto hubcaps. Now let's open the car up here. Now check out this shifter. See it on the dash right there? And it's a 2-speed, driving low. Instrument cluster with them round gauges. That's so cool. I just love stuff like this. Oh, this is something else. This car would be fun to drive. And see, we got some patching on the floor there. Again, this would be a rat rod flavor. These cars, when fully restored, spend quite a bit of money on them. You know how nice you want them to get. And they won't bring half of what you spend on them. So if a guy wants to do a rat rod thing, I don't have a problem with it, because at least he's saving the car. And if the next guy comes along and he wants to restore it, all the chrome will be available, everything will be available. Put it back the way it was. You won't have to worry about body and engine work. You basically just have to worry about putting the correct paint job on it and the chrome back on it. Okay, folks. Let's see if we can get you it's got power brakes. Look at that. Check that out. Oh, that thing is Hemi is a thing of beauty. Even that little 2-barrel is still a thing of beauty. I would definitely have to get a hold of Hot Heads or somebody and get me a 4-barrel intake. And as cool as the Hemi is, a 4-barrel Hemi is even cooler. All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank Sean for letting me do this. We did the Plymouth earlier, the GTX. And now we're going to move on and do these. We've got a Spitfire and a '60 Chevy Impala we're going to do next. So stay tuned to my videos. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I'll continue to bring you these cool cars if you'll subscribe to my channel. And if you feel free to comment. Be cool. We're out here showing these guys projects and hot rods, and just be cool and support these guys and what they're trying to do here. And we'll keep on bringing you these cool videos. We got a bunch of them we've already filmed. Got enough right now to probably last us through the rest of the year, and we're always looking for more. All right, folks. Take care.